Okay, hi everyone, welcome back. And in this update, we are going to check out Cardano's price chart. And guess what? I think we are looking in here very bullish and optimistic, but the job is not completely done yet at the moment. So let's dive in and see what is going on. And first things first, let's go around here. You see, whenever you are having a downtrend, meaning a series of lower highs and lower lows, the main question is, at what point can we say maybe the trend has come to an end? This is the answer for you. When we get a move up, and in that phase, we take the previous major pivot high right in here, and in Cardano, we recently exactly did it. You see, this is, excuse me, from here, a high, a low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. And what happened recently in this phase up in ADA, we managed to take this very important high, which is actually an initial bullish sign suggesting, you know what, maybe this downtrend right in here hopefully has come to an end. So this is your first optimistic sign. The second sign, that actually comes down to Elliott phase, because right now we are going absolutely according to the bullish track. And I think the last time that we talked about Cardano, we were right in here, and the idea was that probably this is 1, 2, and we're gonna have good move up into wave 3, 4, 5. And if in the next 72 hours we said you see a move down, consolidation, another move up, consolidation, and another move on the upside, you are allowed to be very much optimistic, because at that point you can say, look, we are having 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 wave up, which on a higher degree is going to be into this larger degree wave 3. And pay attention, based on the current price action, I'm willing to argue odds are this is a correction structure into wave 4, and followed by that, what are we going to have? You know the answer, at least another move up into wave 5, which is suggesting, well, probably we have hit our final low all the way down here around 78.5 cents. So in the short term, I'm gonna say probably for the next 48 to 72 hours in Cardano, I actually expect at least yet another move up in order to take the highest high around 90 cents for the first target. But I think we can go like a bit higher than that. And for example, I don't really mind if I see like a 10% move on the upside. It is going to be perfect for us. Now, as my final point, let's go on 5-minute time frame. Okay, so you see, in a lot of charts, we do have this important shadow right in here. In fact, let's actually switch over to trading views chart. Okay, so you see, this is the chart that we don't have that shadow, but no problem at all. I'm here to tell you, look, one way or the other, seems like in this phase, we are having an A, B, C down, and this got confirmed the moment that in ADA, we got this phase up, and in it, we took this important high. So what is it that I'm trying to tell you? Look, I'm trying to say in Cardano, there is now like a very high chance whatever move on the downside that we are having at the moment, it's just going to be a correction structure. And absolutely fair enough, we can get maybe another move down in order to reach to about these areas, but become odds are that's just part of the bullish process, and after this phase is over, we should probably get yet another good move up. So in like very short term, we are looking great. Overall, for the next 48 hours, we should probably have another move up, which is awesome, and that is going to suggest we are having a 5 wave off of the lowest low, meaning what? The bottom is in. So every single thing in Cardano right now screams bullish. And I hope I explained everything well and you understood what is going on in ADA. And until the next update, I hope you have a wonderful time. Goodbye.